I might have messed up. I bought this house for $9,000 without really looking at it. And as you can see, it needs a lot of work. We are going to completely gut this place. All the walls, all the floors, everything is getting replaced.
This is going to be my room. This will be Dad's room.
So we have 37.5 acres, I believe. It's all paid off. So once this is done, everything is paid off. There's no rent, there's no bills. It's just, we get to live. And in order to make it livable, we had to get this place down to the frame.
There's probably a better way to do this, but it's not as fun.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll save you. Get out of my way.
I don't think those are supposed to be there, unless they're air holes. If this thing worked, I might have just made a very expensive mistake.
Scared the crap out of me.
You got it, bud? Yeah! We found out this thing is basically a death trap with all the mold and everything in it, so it's gotta go. We had to get it down to the frame so that we can sanitize this place with the bleach solution. Because with all the rat droppings and the mold, we would have just been breathing all that in. The ceiling was a lot trickier than I thought. A ton of it was broken. There was mold. We even found the skin of a scorpion.
What's up?
And we have another problem. This house is the gift that just keeps on giving, I swear. This is a pretty big issue. I was gonna say I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix any of this, so, I guess add it to the list. We'll figure it out. There was a family that lived in this house the way it was. They had rats in their silverware drawer, all the cupboards. There was a dead rat under the sink when I bought this place. It was one of the grossest things I've ever seen. Now to sanitize. I'm spraying this whole place down with a water bleach solution.
We're here prepping for our next video. We're gonna replace the floors, and Dad's letting me do something cool with epoxy. Subscribe so you can see us replace the dirty floors next week.
Before we do the floors, we've got to get those air vents out because we don't know what's been living in them. We don't know how much rat droppings or possibly even dead rats or scorpions are in there. So we got to get that down. And then next step is the floor.
My hair just touched the ceiling.
It's all good.
It's dirty.
All right. Thank you, buddy. Working under this house was disgusting. Every time I cut into it, I just got rained on with poop. Now to get this air vent out of here. We got it all down to the frame, got it sanitized. Thank you guys for watching.